welcome back. My last video was a complete bug. Wasn't even videoing me. So now, hopefully, you can actually see everything that I'm doing. Thank you. Woo. Is it videoing now? Wait, you have to do your intro again. Yeah, Eli's forgot to turn his iPad on videoing before he started and doing all that stuff. Alright, so this is going to be what I like to call driveway cam. Alright, ready, folks? Woo. Ready, set, go! I said go! Logan, I wouldn't do that. What? I wouldn't do that. But I know you're an old person.
You just clear out. You're not allowed up here.
Sorry about that.